Delicious Tennessee onions.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everybody. Starting off with 3 pounds of onions. Now I suggest you use a sweet onion for this, although plain old yellow onions would be fine. I tried to find Vidalia onions in my grocery store, and I guess maybe it was the time of year there wasn't any. I did find these ones. They are called sweet onions. That's all that was on the label, and they were actually a product of the United States. So slice those up fairly thick, about 1/4 of an inch slices, and then just break up the little onion rings. Then we're going to make up a spice mix. Now the actual spice ingredients that you use is completely up to you. I put a teaspoon of black pepper in this little bowl. I added to that a teaspoon of garlic salt. I also added a teaspoon of paprika and then a teaspoon of thyme. And I just stirred that together. So obviously you can put whatever flavors that you enjoy. Then place your onions in a greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish. And there'll be a lot of onions. Just kind of pack them in there. And as they cook, they're going to go down quite a bit. Sprinkle this with your spice mix. And then you'll need some cold butter. I just took a 1/2 cup of butter, cut it up into little pats like this, and then just put them all over the top of the onions. And don't skimp on the butter because this is what's going to make it really good. Then we're going to add some cheese, about 2.5 cups worth of cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. I put 1 cup of medium cheddar, and then I added 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. And then finally a 1/2 cup of grated parmesan cheese. Spread that around, and then you're going to cover this with aluminum foil. If you have non-stick foil, use that. We don't have that around here for whatever reason. I just sprayed my foil with a little bit of cooking spray just so that that cheese doesn't stick. Then put this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. Now you'll raise the temperature of your oven to 425, take the foil off and put it back in the oven and bake it for another 30 minutes or so. I added another handful of cheddar cheese on the top in the last about 15 minutes or so, just because I wanted some extra cheese on there. Bake it until the onions are soft and they get kind of nice and crispy on the edges and golden brown. And there it is, it's done. I have a couple of onion lovers in my house and they raved about these. They really, really enjoyed this side dish. It is delicious. If you love onions, you'll absolutely love this recipe. The only thing that I kind of didn't like about it was there's a lot of oil in the bottom of the pan, which is to be expected with the butter and the cheese, but that's also the reason why they taste so good. So if you love onions, give this one a try. Here's another onion recipe that's on my channel. It's one of my most viewed videos. It went viral for a very strange reason. I have no idea why. It just suddenly got popular. These flower onions. If you love onions and you want something pretty, then give these a try. Thank you so much for watching.